Hey guys, Martin Barkey here. Welcome to my garage. Today, I've got a Volkswagen GTI on the hoist. This is the MK7 platform. I want to show you a really sweet product offering from MBRP, but before we look at that, let's check this out. So this is the factory setup that's underneath your GTI. It doesn't look like a whole lot, but man, is it ever heavy. You've got the front resonator, we've got factory exhaust tubing coming back to the transverse muffler, and then Volkswagen's given us a couple exhaust tips back here in chrome, maybe stainless, to complete a dual exhaust look. Let's get underneath here. I'll show you what MBRP has to offer. So as I always mention, we're a compliant company. So the factory cat stays in place. We're going to utilize the factory front pipe, and we're going to start right here at this band clamp. From the band clamp, you're going to see 3-inch tubing all the way back to the tails. And that tubing is going to have stock hanger locations. You're going to have band clamps. You're going to have mandrel bent tubing when we get back here. And check this out right here. There is no muffler in this exhaust system. But what we have done is incorporated the Helmholtz technology. Now, Helmholtz will allow our engineers to basically tune out any unwanted frequencies a performance exhaust may create. We're going to come back here. Another really cool feature, our ball flange. This ball flange just makes super simple to install and gives you a large range of adjustability. Coming back here, you're going to see a really cool 4-inch OD carbon fiber tips. It's got a 3.5-inch stainless steel sleeve inside. You know what? This one's all bolted up, ready to go. Not only does it look cool, man, it sounds killer. Let's get it outside. We'll take it for a rip. Let's get out on the highway, see what it sounds like. Like always, mellow acceleration out onto the highway. You know, we're pushing up towards 50 miles an hour. Car's doing its thing going through the gears. It's definitely a deeper, lower note than stock. So you hear it in the car, you hear it over what a stock system would be. And let's face the facts, we want that. Mild, moderate, aggressive. I'm gonna say this is a mild to moderate. It's definitely not aggressive. You could drive this literally hours on end, drive to the cottage, drive to work, whatever you want, and it's not gonna get in your head. Now the neat part is, I've got some miles on this car now, and you can play with it, turn heads, you know, start shifting it manually, put it into sport mode, and it does everything so well on the playful side, and yet, again, drive it for hours and never get in your head. Now the neat part about this system is, you can put a catted downpipe or possibly even a non-catted downpipe, and it's not going to be obnoxiously loud. You know how you do that and you go, oh, too much? Not the case. Speaking of cool sound, I'm going to put over to manual and do some downshifts. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it just sounds so good. Let's hear it with a little bit of throttle into it. Down there. Yeah, best of both worlds. You've seen it, looks good. You've heard it, sounds great. Go play with it all you want. Shift it through the gears. Man, it sounds awesome. You're going to turn heads. And then, you know what? You got the long drive. Got your friends and family in the car. Have a conversation all day long. Part number S4606. Check it out at mbrp.com.